Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Similar to individuals, companies are rated by their credit score as an indication that they're able to pay back their debt. The Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services has reaffirmed the credit rating of Sagicor Group Jamaica. The regional scale ratings indicate that the level of credit worthiness of Sagicor Group Jamaica, judged in relation to other obligations in the Caribbean, is good. CARICRIS has also assigned a stable outlook on the ratings. The stable outlook is predicated on the high probability of the group maintaining profitable operations, albeit at a lower level over the next 12 to 15 months. The group is comprised of 12 subsidiaries with operations in 5 main countries, namely Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, Costa Rica, Panama, and Barbados. The group's total assets stood at $591.4 billion Jamaican dollars as at September 2024, while total income was $32.8 billion Jamaican dollars for the period ended September 2024. For businesses that have an annual revenue of between 15 million Jamaican and 425 million Jamaican and are registered for at least 2 years and have been in operation for a minimum of 1 year, NCB Jamaica Limited will offer lower rates. NCB has announced that from March 31, it will be launching a $1 billion Jamaican facility designed to provide access to financing to micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. NCB will be applying a 0.25% reduction across all SME loan products, extending the benefits of lower borrowing costs beyond the fund itself. Executive Director of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, Sasha Vassiano-Riley, has acknowledged the challenges of business growth due to challenges to get financing. Speaking at the PBCJ and Inter-American Development Bank's IDB Empower Jamaica workshop at the Jamaica Pegasus in St. Andrew on Tuesday, Vassiano-Riley said there is an inadequacy of financing options that can help business owners scale. She also pointed out that the need to help businesses transition from operating in the informal space to becoming formalized. She stated, "Too many Jamaican businesses are still running on empty. Why? Because access to finance isn't as easy as it should be. Let's be real. Our financial landscape has some hurdles." Furthermore, Vassiano-Riley pointed out that another obstacle to financing is the informality of some businesses. She stated, "I'm talking about the dressmaker in the community or the man down the road fixing cars. Now, these are legitimate businesses providing real services, but because they aren't formalized, the banks don't see them, and it's hard for them to access loans," she points out. For the trading period ending March 21, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 7,277,065 units traded, represent 26.88% of market sales volume. Real estate developer and billboard sales company Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited, with 4,323,456 units traded, representing 15.97% of market sales volume. Toll road provider Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 3,500,342 units traded, representing 12.93% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 21, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.49 million purchased and US $44.73 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 64 cents per dollar, selling the US at $157.63 and buying the US at $156.99. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders 39 cents per transaction, with selling at $109.82 and buying at $109.43. The British pound yielded forex traders $6.09 in profits, with selling at $202.96 and buying at $196.87. For our credit report tip of the day, when it comes to rebuilding your credit, both proactive and reactive people can succeed, but the path they take is different. A proactive person plans ahead and prevents issues, while a reactive person responds to challenges as they come. The key? Both can win with the right strategies. Winning strategies for proactive people include checking your credit report monthly to spot errors before they hurt your score. You can also set up automatic payments for bills and loans to ensure on-time payments. Winning strategies for reactive people: request a free credit report and review it thoroughly. Then dispute inaccurate items immediately to improve your credit score. Now, for professional women over the age of 45 who are desiring to move from financial recovery to financial resilience, you have to fight to stay wealth-minded. The world around you is designed to keep you comfortable in survival mode instead of leading. But the women who build wealth don't just recover from setbacks, they strategize, adapt, and grow beyond them. Are you reactive, only fixing financial problems when they explode? Or are you proactive, planning, investing, and creating multiple income streams before a crisis hits? It's time to self-evaluate. And that wraps up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.